Kaylee, tell me something. Are you more stressed out working with builders or working with Matt?
Working with Matt, he can't even put the cord into his car. We just spent 40 minutes trying to get off somebody's land. Matt forgot the cord to his car.
I'm even sweating. Honestly, this is just so bad. I'm even don't need my jacket no more.
Yeah, okay. So what you do is first lock the car and unlock the car.
So I've done that.
I'm gonna show you. Yeah, okay. So what you do is you wanna click the ignition once on, do not put your foot on the brake. No, but close the door.
Oh, good.
It's easier, it's easier. Yeah.
Right.
It's because you've done it too many times, it reset itself.
Oops.
What did he say? Hey! That went wrong one more time. I feel like Brandon Lake would have given you a perfect idea. You about to tear the roof off? No? Okay, understood.
Please like and subscribe to Solid Property Deals.